Well, it's a bit overcast today, so we're going to take a day out. We're going to head up to Altea. So we're walking up to the tram. It's right up in the top end of Benidorm, so it's about a 20-minute walk. And most of it's uphill, unfortunately, so this will be a bit of fun. I'll just let you have a look. So just heading up, and we'll just keep going up and up till we hit it at the top of the town. I'll show you the tram station and things when we get there. But it gives us a good opportunity to have a wee bit of a look around parts of the town that you normally wouldn't be in. If I see anything interesting on the way, I'll let you have a look. See you in a mo.
So I've put a Google map up there. As you can see, it's one straight road uphill nearly the whole way. 25 mins, 1.5 kilometre.
As you can see, quite a distance. It's one big long road the whole way up. Sure, but exercise harmed no one. Up this north end of the town is more where the typical Spanish people live in their little apartments. And this is the sort of style of apartments away from the touristy section. You come to a huge junction here. It's absolutely massive. Multiple lanes, multiple crossing parts. There's loads of zebra crossings and lots of lights. You safely get across there, you just wait on the green man. It gives you a nice countdown and stuff to it. And then with a big long street to head up again. Road just seems endless at this point. Just keeps stretching out in the distance. A lot of big condo buildings here as well for all the local people. In among the plain, bland apartment buildings, there's a few sort of got classical style, a wee bit of character to them. They look a wee bit better. A lot of the car garages here are just on the side of the street, a wee bit different to what you would see in the UK. Sort of very similar to what you would have seen maybe in the 60s and 70s. Well, we finally made it up that hill. That was some hike. It's a 3-day camel ride. So it suggests if you're not too steady on the old legs that you get the bus or a taxi or something like that up, or get your mobility scooter out. It's, let's say, the back of the thighs are feeling it. I could hold a pencil between my butt cheeks at this stage. So anyway, we're at the terminal here. So let's go in and see when the next one is, what it costs. Well, here's the Benidorm Tram Terminal right at the top of the town. This is the entrance in. Yeah, Altea. €1.45 each. So €2.90 for 2 tickets. That's not too bad at all. So here's the terminal here. There's 2 sides. So Alicante on the left, we're going Altea, Denia, so that's on the other side to the right, so we just cross over.
Where did I think?
I know.
That way?
I know.
Just doesn't have the worst sense of direction.
Quite a small train, just a few carriages, looks busy. This is the wee tram station when you get to Altea. You just get off, you don't have to stamp your ticket or anything, you just leave and come out through the building.
You have no time to retire.